Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your crest and your logo of your account in FIFA Mobile. So what you need to do first is tap the setting button at the top of your screen. As you can see, you can select your crest, tap the select crest. So you can choose your favorite theme maybe, or the rare theme that you want to choose to be your crest. So for example, my favorite team is Manchester United. So what I need to do is tap the Premier League. So I will search this one, Manchester United, tap select button. So Crest update successfully, and go to your home page. As you can see, this is my Crest is already apply Manchester United Crest. And also you can change the logo of your account, this one, by tap back to your home page and tap your setting button, select logo and tap the select. So it's already active. This is my logo, this is my profile, and this is logo, same with my crest. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.